Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. Today I'm gonna be guiding you through how to add friends in Bleach Brave Souls. To add friends on Bleach Brave Souls, first of all open up the application and head to the main menu. Now click on the sub menu button on the left hand side of the screen, and this will open up the several menu on the screen where you'll need to tap on friends. To add friends, click on the search button on the top right, and then you can simply go ahead and input the name of the player and search. You can search by ID or name, and this will bring up the search result on the left hand side. Select the player you are trying to add and tap the request button right next to their name. After tapping the request button, tap on OK, and you will be able to send the friend request to the person. Now the person should accept your incoming request, and you will then be able to add them as your friend. They will then appear in the Friends tab. And just like that, you will be able to connect with your friends, whether you are farming raids, trading Brave Souls tickets, or just want a solid squad to co-op with. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next episode. Thanks for watching.